Our keys go everywhere with us, so why not make sure they look and feel great? Fitting easily into your existing Ultion keys, Keycap lets you identify your keys quickly, with different colors for different doors or different colors for different people. It even comes in a new night bright option to make your keys easier to use at night and find in the dark. The ergonomic design and the hook to the side makes the Keycap easier and more comfortable to use, with the hook not being directly under your thumb. Keycap and Keyring. Cap your keys.